Inside your bones, there is a soft, living tissue called bone marrow. It is hidden deep inside the skeleton. You do not see it. You do not feel it. But every second, it is doing one of the most important jobs in your body. It is making your blood. Bone marrow sits inside the hollow spaces of many bones, especially in bones like the pelvis, ribs, spine, skull, and breastbone. Inside this marrow are special cells called stem cells. These stem cells are like master cells. They can divide, they can grow, and they can turn into different types of blood cells. Some become red blood cells, which carry oxygen from your lungs to every part of your body. Some become white blood cells, which protect you from bacteria, viruses, and other infections. And some become platelets, which help your blood clot when you get injured, so bleeding can stop. This process is called blood cell production, or hematopoiesis, and it never stops. Every day, your bone marrow produces billions of new blood cells. Old and damaged cells are removed, fresh cells are released into the bloodstream, and a delicate balance is maintained. Bone marrow has two main types. The first is red bone marrow. This is the active type. It produces blood cells. In babies and children, most of the bone marrow is red because their bodies are growing quickly. But as we become adults, some of this red marrow changes into yellow bone marrow. Yellow marrow stores fat and releases it when needed. At first, it may sound less important, but it has a backup role. During severe blood loss, illness, or high demand, yellow marrow can help support blood production again. This makes bone marrow a flexible and powerful system. When the body is injured, infected, or losing blood, the marrow can increase its activity. It responds quietly, often before we even notice symptoms. Bone marrow is also deeply connected to the immune system. Many immune cells begin their life here. They help the body recognize what belongs inside it and what should be attacked as foreign. That is why healthy bone marrow is important for immunity, healing, and survival. Most of the time, bone marrow works silently. There is no sound, no movement we can see, no sensation that tells us it is active. But when bone marrow becomes weak or damaged, the effects can be serious. A person may feel tired because of low red blood cells. They may get infections more easily because of low white blood cells. Or they may bleed or bruise easily because of low platelets. This is why doctors often check blood tests to understand how well the bone marrow is working. Bone marrow is not just a filler inside bones. It is a living factory, a hidden source of renewal. It turns stem cells into blood, blood into oxygen, oxygen into energy, and energy into life. Your bones do more than support your body from the outside. Deep within them, bone marrow is creating life from the inside. A silent reminder that real strength is not always visible. Sometimes it is produced quietly, deep within.